Are you looking for a special gift for your bike? Want a handsome bag to satisfy all of your urban cycling needs? Or maybe a high-tech helmet or a new lighting system to boost your visibility in traffic? What about a collar that works like an airbag for your head? There are many products available to choose, amazing bike gadgets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best amazing bike gadgets from reputed brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Knog Rear Plus Light. One of the best ways to stay safe while cycling is to make yourself as visible to cars as you can, given that vehicles and bicycles frequently share the same route. One way to do it is by mounting an LED light on a seat post. There are many different types of cycling lights, but in my opinion, the Rear Plus from Knog is among the best because it is cheaply priced. You'll notice that this list includes 2 Knog products, one of which is the Rear Plus. This is due to the company's reputation for producing functional and artistic bike accessories. For instance, you don't need a micro USB wire to charge the Rear Plus because you can just plug it into your computer just like a USB thumb drive. Additionally, Knog claims that the battery life of the device can last up to 40 hours, depending on the illumination style you choose. It also makes it much less likely that you won't have a light when dusk falls because it charges so quickly. Number 2. Nagoy Bike Bell. Make sure your bicycle has both an LED light and a bell installed. I know what you're thinking, why don't you just tell them before you pass them on the road? The answer is yes. However, since they may be having a discussion, it's unlikely that they will immediately hear you or respond. You'll be shocked at how much more effective a bell is at reaching pedestrians than your voice. One is also, in my opinion, quite beneficial for drivers who are waiting to make a turn. The aero option that won't look out of place on a carbon road bike is the Nagoy Lux. It is easy to install and features a streamlined design that won't fill your cockpit. If you want something with a more classic look to the SmartHalo Original Bell. Both produce distinctive sounds that can be distinguished from background noises like traffic. Number 3. Wahoo ELEMNT Bolt V2 GPS Cycling Bike Computer. You already have one of the most useful cycling accessories on your phone. It can be used to help you if you get lost, as well as to track your journeys with apps like Strava. In those circumstances, having quick access to your phone while mounted on a horse can be useful. In this circumstance, a handlebar phone mount can be very helpful. I've tried a few options, and the Wahoo ELEMNT Bolt is one of the safest. A cycling-specific UI and turn-by-turn directions are features of the Bolt. To do that, tactile buttons must be included, enabling users to operate the device exclusively with their fingers, even while wearing riding gloves. A $300 bike computer will also cost much less to replace in the event of an accident than a high-end smartphone. But make sure you pick the V2 version. With the most recent Bolt update, Wahoo added a color screen and USB-C charging. Number 4. SmartHalo Bike Smarter. Use SmartHalo to take your riding to the next level. With this cutting-edge bike gadget, your two-wheeler may be transformed into a smart bike that is discreet, stylish, and loaded with contemporary features. When used in conjunction with its clever companion software, it helps you navigate, keeps track of your fitness objectives, locates where you've parked, and does a lot more. Additionally, it functions as a personal assistant, alerting the rider to incoming calls and texts, or checking the weather, as well as an anti-theft alarm and an autonomous night light. Number 5. Granite Stash RCX Multi-Tool Kit. The Granite Design Stash Multi-Tool, which includes 2 to 6 mm hex keys, a T25 Torx, and a flathead screwdriver, is a dependable traveling companion. Not only does it contain a variety of necessities for your roadside requirements, but it is also smartly made to fit inside the steerer tube of your bicycle. There is also a second spoke key with valve core remover that magnetically connects to the side of the multi-tool for further trailside changes and modifications.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Thank you.